Welcome to TeknoDestek channel. In this video, I will tell you what you have to do if somebody pretends to be you and open an account, Facebook account on your name. First, you have to go Facebook Help Center and find report an imposter account form. You have to fill this form, and after that you have to send it to Facebook for close that imposter account. First, you are in the report an imposter account. You have to choose at the third, someone created an account pretend to be me or friend. Choose this and then select no in here. Do you have a Facebook account? Select no. After that, is this account impersonating you? You have to say yes, I am the person being impersonated. After that, here you have to type your name and last name. After your name, last name, here your email address or email. You type your email address. Here you have to type full name on the imposter profile. Probably it will be your name again, so you have to type whatever typing in there, name and last name to here. After you type name, last name in the imposter profile, there must be email address or mobile phone number, whichever is there. You can type in here. For example, there is a number, phone number, you have to type in here. And after that, there is upload ID. You have to upload your ID card to here. After you upload your ID card, you have to type in here. You have to copy and paste link of the imposter profile. You have to post it in here. And after that, in here in the info, you can add anything that, for example, this account pretending to be me and they using my name, so I want this account be blocked and closed. You can type anything you want, type it in here, and after you typed, you have to send this form to Facebook, and Facebook will check your ID card and they will close this imposter account. So if you have any problem or any question, please call 11858 call center and they will help you about your question or any problem you have. Thank you very much for you watch this video. Please don't forget to like it. Have a good day.